Welcome back to Bad Attitude C10. One of our week 2 submissions comes from Kevin Tolliver in his Bad Habit 1967 C10 truck. It is powered by a 548 cubic inch big block Chevy with a fogger and a power glide with a 169 low gear. Its best time is a 5:61 in the 8th mile with a 1:21.60 foot, which is not bad for an all-steel truck with all factory glass excluding the rear window, and it still has factory trailing arm suspension. The best pass the truck has made in the quarter was when it was on pastime about 15 years ago, and it was a 9:16 at 142 mile an hour. Let's check out Bad Habit in action. Alright guys, Kevin does not have a YouTube channel, but you can find him at the link below on his Facebook, on TikTok, or Instagram. As always, please like and subscribe.